We are celebrating Arbor Day here at Liberty Middle School. I've reached out to the Urban Forest Management Division about 3 years ago to get this whole process started. We were put on hold a little bit because of COVID, and so now we are starting phase 1 of about a 3 to 4 phase tree planting around our school grounds.
Fairfax County is working with Fairfax County Public Schools to establish a new tradition of having Arbor Day at a public school every year. We're going to be moving around the county from supervisory district to supervisory district and hopefully really having an impact on the entire community across the county.
Now therefore be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents of Fairfax County, does hereby proclaim April 22nd, 2022 as Earth Day, Arbor Day in Fairfax County. As we tackle climate change and some of the urgency of the issues dealing with our environment right now, every tree that's planted is a step in the right direction, and so it's important for us to do our part in Fairfax County, and most importantly for our youngsters here at the middle school to be engaged in this effort as well. And really it's future generations that will benefit from the trees that are planted today.
Trees are important. I grew up in the Accotink Stream Valley, and we were some of those barefoot kids that followed the little creek down to the big creek, which was Accotink Creek. And when I bought my house here in Little Rocky Run, that's what I looked for. And it is so important, especially in these days of video games, that we give our kids the opportunity to push back, get up off the couch and go out and enjoy natural space.
As someone who's lived in Fairfax County my whole life, I always look at the history. And when you look back at Fairfax County in the 1920s and 30s, it was an agricultural community and there were no trees. And when you look at the aerials today, look down at Fairfax County, we are covered in tree canopy. So we're doing a lot of the right things, but really it's a community effort. Everybody's got to pitch in to improve our environment.